The last step in my yearly maintenance on my lawnmower is replacing the air filter. And I went online and I checked locally and close by, and the auto parts stores didn't have air filters for lawnmowers. The shops, small engine shops nearby were closed when I wanted to get this done. Anyway, I went online and I got the recommended air filter. I went ahead and got a Briggs and Stratton brand air filter. I used their part numbers. I bought it online, and I think it was $10 or $15. You can get the cheap ones that are $2 and $3, but I decided to go ahead and go with the manufacturer. So what we'll do is, I'll take it out of the bag. I'm trying to show you. There we go. It is a foam air filter. It's designed for the particular engine, and what we'll do, the last thing we'll do is we'll soak it full of oil, and then make sure it's good and moist with 30 weight motor oil, and then we'll remove the old air filter that is falling apart. We'll put this in, and this is the last step in my 3-step process of doing my yearly maintenance on my lawnmower, and we'll be ready to go for the next year. Okay, so now we're going to change the air filter, and I've got a new air filter, and I've got a pseudo empty can of oil. I'm going to take the old air filter out. If you look at it, it is nasty and it is falling apart. So I'm going to put a new one. I'm going to soak this in a little bit of, they want you to soak it real good. So see how it's going to fit. It's going to fit that way. So I've got it nice and oiled up. Put it in, clean my hands a little bit. We'll go ahead and wipe this out too while I got it. I do a lot of, have a big oak tree in the yard, and so I do a lot of leaf cleaning up. So that is the how you change the air filter. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope something good happens to you today. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.